Welcome to your math channel. Here, you learn math by solving exercises in a practical and straightforward way. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on what you want to see in the next videos. Today, we're going to solve the expression that says the square root of the difference between 13 squared and 12 squared is equal to the nth root of 125. First, we need to determine the value of n in this particular equation, so that the left side is exactly equal to the right side. So what are we going to do first? Let's solve the exponent. 13 squared is the same as 13 times 13. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 1 is 1. We add it up here and we get 9. 3 plus 3 is 6, 169. Now, 12 squared is the same as 12 times 12. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2, and the 12 repeats here when you multiply by 1. You repeat the 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 144. So what does it look like now? 169 minus 144. 9 minus 4 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it's 25. So now we have the square root of 25 equals the nth root of 125. What's the square root of 25? 5. Because 5 times 5 is 25. 5 squared equals 25. And the square root is the inverse of exponentiation. Now, to find the value of n so that this side is also 5, let's do this. We can use elimination. Let's go. 5 to the power of 1. Is that it? Any number raised to the power of 1 is equal to itself, so that's 5. 5 to the power of 2. 5 times 5 is what? 25. Also now, 5 to the power of 3. Since 2 is 25, then it's 25 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. Go up 2, 5 times 2, 10. And 2, 12. 125. So we knew here that it's 3 because 5 to the power of 3 is 125. And if n equals 3, the cube root of 125 is 5. So n equals 3. That's the correct answer. Subscribe to the channel and leave your like. See you in the next video.